Now new at 6, hundreds of incorrect electric bills sent out in Independence, leaving some worried their power could be shut off. We met with some customers upset with the Independence Power and Light Company today. And as 41 Action News reporter Tom Dempsey explains, this follows other criticisms over utilities there in that area over the last year. Tom.
Yeah, that's right, Mike. This recent incident led to people stopping by the Independence Utilities Center to try and figure out what exactly happened with all of this. An estimated 1,000 people received these incorrect things in the mail, which led to plenty of stress inside their homes. When Herbert Mosher opened his power bill this morning, he immediately thought something was wrong.
I'm really mad. I'm very upset. I have never not paid my bill.
His bill, dated from September, but only arriving this week, claiming he owed hundreds of dollars or his power could be shut off. With Mosher living on a fixed income, an expensive bill brought plenty of stress.
We wouldn't be able to make our doctor's appointments on time. There's a lot of things that would impact.
The confusion over mysterious bills even spreading to Facebook, with many others posting about receiving them. They soon found out the issue happened because of a glitch. What's the reaction when you hear
If I had this kind of a glitch, I'd have to pay dearly.
With the city switching over to a new utility bill system last May after using an older one for decades, City Manager Zach Walker told 41 Action News switching over 50,000 accounts brings with it some growing pains.
Anytime you do these kind of things, when you've gone that long, you're only going to magnify the hiccups.
Concerns with power once again coming months after customers called for an audit of the bill paying system, and as the city faces a lawsuit for allegedly overcharging customers.
We've put ourselves in a position where we're up against the clock and we're trying to jump from systems that are 30, 40 years old into something more modern.
A glitch leading to concerns from customers, with Herbert Mosher hoping nothing similar happens again.
I don't think anybody should have to go through this. I really don't.
The city plans to investigate and look into each of those incorrect bills. If you believe you received one, you can either stop by the Utilities Center, call in, or email the city. And we have those resources on kshb.com. Live in Independence, I'm Tom Dempsey, 41 Action News.